Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and nature topics. If you find these videos helpful, please consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Today we're going to cover Mathematics in 6. The topic of this tutorial is basic revision of differentiation, the chain rule. The question is included at the beginning and the end of the video. Let's get straight into it. Okay, this is the chain rule. dy over dx equals dy over du times du over dx. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to solve y is equal to e to the 3x. Now, what the chain rule, the basic premise of the chain rule is u substitution. So we're going to u substitute 3x. So let u equal 3x. Right, so now we have e to the u. Now, let u equal 3x, so du over dx is equal to 3x 1 minus 1. Right, so 1 times 3 is, so times 1. So 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is 3 times x to the 0, which equals 3. So anything to the power 0 is 1. So 3 times 1, so that's 3. Now what we do is we multiply this by 3. So now what we are left with is 3e to the u. Now we replace u with 3x. So 3 equals 3x. And that is how we do this particular one. Because e does not change when you differentiate. E does not change, but 3x does change, but e to the u does not change. Okay, now number 2. Now sum number 2. Sum number 2 is y equals sine 3x. Okay, so now let u equal 3x. So let's go again. 3 times 1 and 1 minus 1. So we are left with 3 times 1 is 3, x to the 0, which equals 3 times 1, which equals 3. Now, this equals, now, dy over dx sine u. So now, what will happen is now this will become cos u multiplied by 3. Because that is how the chain rule works. You multiply, you take what was u and you multiply the differential of u. So this becomes 3 cos u. Now we replace u with what we started with. Okay, now we replace u. So 3 cos 3x. And that is our final answer. Okay, next one. Okay, now how this works is we're going to do a form called the outer inner. So we take this first and then we multiply it by the inner. I'll show you how that works. So let u equal 3 minus 2x. Now 3 times 0 is 0. So 0 minus 2x, so it's minus 2 to the 1 minus 1. So that'll be just minus 2. Minus 2. So now what we have is u to the power 4. So how we're going to do this is equal to 4u to the power 3. So that is, so what I've basically done here is I've taken 4 times 1 is 4, u, 4 minus 1. So 4u to the power 3. Now we multiply that, multiplied by minus 2. Now we multiply that by minus 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. So minus 8 u to the power 3. Now we can't do anything further, so we replace u with what we started with. So this will equal minus 8, 3 minus 2x to the power 3. And that is our finished sum. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm and to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comments section to let me know what topics you would like me to cover in upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. On a side note, when doing these, watch these videos to the end. Because mathematics there's no quick fix to knowing mathematics. There's no quick fix. So what you need to do is, mathematics is a game of discipline, diligence, and persistence. So especially at N6 level, and also if you get stuck in the exam, look at your formula sheet. In your formula sheet will have all sorts of differentials and integrals there that could help you with what you are doing. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.